So this is part of this build that probably a lot of people haven't seen unless they came to the UTV invasions and talked to me in the early processes, but we had Rich from Sandworks gusset all of this stuff up here. So you got gusset there, gusset there, gusset there, gusset there, gusset there, and then we welded in the CT Raceworks up here, and we came out of the bumper with this front little stinger bumper. It comes up, and then that all ties in to here, comes up to the shock mount. Same thing on the other side, gusseted everywhere. We also welded in the cage, comes up, that's where the front bumper ties into, goes across to the intrusion bar going straight up, and then we had them kick the door out a little bit so that we had a little bit of extra leg room on the left side. I really like that design. And then the whole entire door is tied together and welded in. Chupacabra mirrors held up good. It just moved on the pivot right here. So, shout out to Chupacabra. Okay, back here. This is where, so this was dented prior up on this side from the first wheelie that I did, and then on the second wheelie I dented it a little bit more, and then this big old side where it's caved in everywhere, that was from the crash. So looks like everything back here is good. We haven't been able to fire up the engine yet, again, because this car has a ProUFI standalone ECU in it, and it has an oil pressure sensor on it that will kick the motor off as soon as it gets below 40 pounds of oil pressure when it's full out, or I believe it's 15 pounds when it's idling. That's what we have it set to. I'm not sure on that. So we're gonna end up doing a skid plate like we got on the bottom here on this back, so it doesn't catch as much, because the problem was when it was catching, it was kicking really hard. So if we can get that smoothed out, get it into one piece, maybe it'll loosen that transition a little bit. Radiator's good. Everything in here is good. Got sand everywhere. When I say
Operation
everywhere,
Sand Cleanup commencing.
I mean everywhere.
We could go get Teddy and let him bring a dump truck down here. Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, boss said I gotta not swear.
People are gonna think that this is the only outfit that you have.
I wasn't planning on filming today. Fuck off. I like my outfit when it's cold, and I don't want to give shorts up yet.
Well, at least let them know that you washed them.
Wash them in red sand. I think this shit's crazy looking. Alright.
Well, you can swear, it just makes it harder for me because I have to bleep it out.
Well, like I told you, I ain't gonna stop being me, because you got a camera going. The bad part is there, people, I got most of it off enough that I can blow off and not get sand everywhere. So have him look under the seat. It's a little redonk. There's a pile of it. So
Yeah, we're gonna have to take the seat out, bud. I was thinking that we would just drop the skid plate. And pull the skid plate out.
Still don't get it.
There's not very much.
What was that, Sean?
Are we doing 2 jumps or 3 jumps?
2 jumps.
2 jumps, so
Yep.
that's the last one.
Yep, and you were with Sean at
Second,
109? Yeah, so you got 110, 109.
Okay.
There's a 106 out there as well.
Okay.
No pressure. Alright, this is Sean, who had 109. He's currently in second place now. Yep, Sean is on his way, second and final jump.
You good?
Good.
Hold on. He can get out here. Are you okay? Get out first? He's fine. He's climbing out. Okay.
Hold on, you're connected.
You're good.
You okay?
Hey, the wheels
You're
off.
good.
He's fine.
Driver's safe, he's driving out.
Good, buddy? We are going to have to pull this out.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
These things.
Watch that, Barry.
Oh.